If you were to have a difficult conversation with someone, what do you normally end up feeling before the conversation starts? Is your first tendency to avoid it? Is your first tendency to be quick to get it over with, just to plow through it? Or maybe to even procrastinate it, to delay the conversation until it's inevitable? You have to have it no matter what. Usually when we have difficult conversations, most of us tend to rush into it, hoping to quickly get it over and done with. And as a result, we may not be equipped to handle the why, the what, and the how. Of course, having a difficult conversation or avoiding one would mean that status quo remains. But the reality is it's not going to go away. By the time you have to address it, it could get really out of hand. Such conversations usually lead to resentment because the other party is not given a chance to collaborate and find an opportunity for growth. Preparing for difficult conversation does not have to be as difficult as it sounds. With the correct amount of preparation, you can be more comfortable in having the difficult conversation because you are clear as to why you want to have this conversation in the first place. I hope you will consider signing up for a full-day workshop where we will dive deeper into the topic. We will dive a lot deeper into such skills so that you're able to have such difficult conversations and deal with possible conflict in a calm, clear, and confident manner. You can begin with a mindset shift and eventually work towards acquiring new communication techniques. You'll discover things about yourself, perhaps that you may not have realized before. You will acquire skills and techniques that will not just help you navigate difficult conversations, but perhaps could help you to be a bit more assertive when you have to deal with difficult situations in your own personal and professional life.